Okay, I'm going to show my Pal. So here's my homepage. Um, I've already put in some food and goals and stuff. So now I'll show you my friends page. I'm friends with Gretchen. There we go. Okay, my weight log. I've put it in already right here and recorded that. Now for my exercise diary, I'm gonna go here. So I put in that today I did this for cardiovascular and this for strength training. And I also put in some notes that I did right there. Okay, now I'm gonna go to my food diary. I've added my breakfast, my morning snack, a special lunch, and my favorite lasagna for dinner. Okay, so my custom food, if I go to my foods, and let's see where they are. Maybe it's in, search my, well, maybe it's in my meals. Let's see.
I was thinking it's after. Okay, perfect. Okay, thank you. Love you too. Bye.
Okay, just kidding. Oh, here's my food that I made. Okay, Campbell's chicken soup. It's right here. I put in this information, the serving, the calories. Okay, so there's that. My recipe that I created. My favorite lasagna. You can just click here. And I typed in all these ingredients with the nutrition facts. And that's what I added to my dinner. Okay, and then if I go to my settings, I changed all these to add the morning snack and the evening snack. And then my apps page, I'll go here. And I've got the Map My Run and the UA Record apps installed to use later. So there we go.